Hello traders, welcome to the Day-8 Premarket Analysis challenge video. First of all, I would like to show you what is our expectation for the day. That means yesterday's expectation. Then I'll explain the price action. Then we are going to Day-8 Premarket Analysis for 24th September 2020. 24th September 2024. Now, what is the expectation yesterday we have done? I'll show you that. This is our expectation. We are expecting an uptrend and sideways bullish days in both Bank Nifty, this is Bank Nifty, and this is Nifty. Once again, we are expecting bullish sideways days. The trend is uptrend. So this is our expectation. Now let's go to the charts and see whether it accepts by the market or not. Now this is today's chart. Okay, this is today's chart. This is the first 5-minute candle low, and this is somewhat trending, and Bank Nifty is somewhat trending, and Nifty is ended with sideways action, sideways bullish. This is our expectation, right? So the reason could be this for this move is the overall sentiment is positive for the day. In the sense, the meaning for that is all the indices, all the sectors today are happening in a bullish way. So that could be the reason for this small bullish move. Okay, so now let's see what is the price action today. Let's explain this. For the this is, even though it looks like this, there is no great opportunity throughout the day. And one important thing I want to discuss here is, once it breaks out of this level at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, there is some sort of opportunity in the market, but I don't recommend or take the trades in this move. I expected this as a false breakout, but it happened to be a trending, some kind of trending is here, but there is no setup for me to enter the markets. I felt like this is going to be a fake breakout, because this is the all-time high. You can see the red line. This is the all-time high and the previous day high. Okay, this is the previous day high. You can see this is the high of previous day high, and we are expecting sideways bullish action. So I thought like this is going to be a sideways action. And one more thing here is, there is no right setup in Nifty and Bank Nifty also. So I didn't took a trade today. And one more thing here is, let me show you. Okay, I am going to release a video on how to recognize real breakouts. There are breakouts that we enter in. When we enter, immediately they reverses and takes our stop loss. There are some important things to look after whenever there is breakout happens. This video will be out by tomorrow itself, and you can watch this if you want to recognize the real breakouts. Okay, as per the analysis, I am not interested in this move, so I didn't took any trade and just waited all the day. It seems like it is taking support at the first 5-minute candle low and the all-time high, but Bank Nifty hasn't supported this setup. So in Nifty also I don't have any trades. So overall the conclusion is, we are expecting bullish sideways day. Nifty accepted it. Bank Nifty moved somewhat bullish, but I consider this mainly as sideways action, not a very good momentum related bullish action. Okay, now let's get into day 8, which is the 24th September pre-market analysis, and what we have predicted for this. Just a moment. Okay, so this is for tomorrow's price action. Let me show you. Okay, this is the just a moment. Yeah, okay, just a moment, I'll recheck it. The all-time 154,197, right? 54,197. Sorry for this. Okay, this is the 24th September pre-market analysis. I am expecting a uptrend in, sorry, there is something in my mind. Let me explain it to you. Just a moment. Sorry for this disturbance, I am somewhere. So now the trend in both Nifty and Bank Nifty is in uptrend, and I am expecting, this is the Bank Nifty expectation. It is having an average CPR which is sideways or trending, and we are going to be bullish in the market. In the same way, the Nifty's trend is also uptrend. We are expecting a bullish action, trending action for tomorrow. So let's get into the charts and mark these levels. As this all-time high has closed, candles close above this, we are going to delete this. Otherwise tomorrow it may be a fault for us. So see here, this is the virgin CPR. Just a moment. This is the virgin CPR. No price involved in this CPR. So this is a virgin CPR for Bank Nifty, which could act as a strong support when price stays above this level. So the important highly profitable trade locations for Bank Nifty is this: 54,000 level. Please mark these levels in your chart and see how the price is reacting at these levels. According to the situation, you have to take the trade. Now next one is 54,286, 53,800, 53,828. These are the highly profitable trade locations for Bank Nifty, and this is virgin CPR. Now let's go to Nifty. Yeah, actually the all-time high has changed, so we are going to delete this. This is the new all-time high for Nifty, and the highly profitable trade location for Nifty is 25,911. We are expecting a trending bullish day in Nifty. 25,867, 25,976. Okay, so we are having a virgin CPR here because there is no candles inside this CPR. This is the virgin CPR. If you are new to this concept, virgin CPR is something that candles doesn't involve in this area. So this is the virgin CPR. As the candles are inside the CPR, this is not a virgin CPR. So by the way, this yellow region is the initial balance high, initial balance level. I have marked this with yellow color to represent the first 1 hour trading action. And if you want to know the complete strategy for trading initial balance high and low, you can watch the video. I am going to give the link in the description. Okay, and that's it. This is the pre-market analysis Day-8 challenge, and see how the price is reacting at those levels. And if you are new to my channel, I recommend you to watch some videos about CPR pivot points. So the important videos I'm going to give in the description section. Watch it one by one and you will get some good knowledge in trading the markets with CPR pivot points. If you are impressed with this system and you want to learn the complete system of CPR pivot points, you can approach me in my email ID. Okay, my email ID is this: tradingtricks44@gmail.com, so that I will guide you how to learn the CPR system, how to take the course. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys understand the importance of pre-market analysis. Without pre-market analysis, there is no chance of anybody to make money from the markets. You have to be well prepared. Just a moment. You have to be well prepared to make money from the markets. To be frank, we are just sitting in front of a computer with a Wi-Fi connection and we are making money. For that we need to give our own part as a hard work. You have to learn a system, you have to prepare for the day ahead itself. You have to be ready in the market. If the market is accepting your analysis, you should be courageous enough to enter the market. Otherwise you should have equal courage to stay away from the markets. Whenever you see money from the markets, it is really impossible for a novice trader without trading a single day. But if you want to become a pro trader or a profitable trader, you have to have that staying away mode from the markets. Professional profitable traders don't trade the markets every single day. Whenever there is the opportunity, they trade. Otherwise they sit aside and just with calmness they will observe the markets. They will observe the overall global sentiment, what is happening around different sectors. Everything they just analyze and they write it down in a piece of paper. Whenever you write it down in a piece of paper, scientifically it is proven that that is going to be a part of your life. Okay, hope you guys understand what I am saying. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel like this content is so valuable, please share this in your trading community so that they will learn some more points and I feel motivated to do much more valuable videos. Thank you.